Aussie boy's about to get a car. What's up guys, it's your girl Victoria and welcome back to another video. In the previous video you guys would have seen that I pranked Aussie. I told him that we got a car that we didn't actually get. If you haven't seen that video then go ahead and check it out. The link will be in the box below or it's popping up somewhere on the screen. But today we actually go and get his actual car that we got, because some of you guys know the car was damaged by the hailstorm as mentioned in the previous video. I'm running a little bit late so I'm gonna rush off, but stay tuned to check out the car we actually got him. You guys would have seen that I pranked Aussie. Aussie's a good sportsman. He wasn't salty about it, so that's all good. But we're almost to the place of picking up his actual car. You guys will see his car once we get there. That's nice. My wallet's in the car and so is my phone. Should I go get it? Thank you. Damn. That looks so nice. How do you get it out?
Doors are slow.
Oh, right. Wow, that's nice. You excited? Aussie boy's about to get a car. Yeah, that looks good. Ooh.
That's good.
Yeah.
Big space.
Aussie boy!
Aussie boy, now.
They forgot our mats, but they're chasing that up. Let's see, what does this door say? This door says... I don't know what this door says. Oh, there. Manufactured in February 2019.
Oh.
Aussie's car is in front of me. And he saw me mikka malo lang kabale foli. Biyala laku pale mia sa amori. Guys, we are in the car now. Aussie drove the car home and I wanted to test drive as well. Turn for Oh, it's so weird. It's been a while since I've driven manual because the other blue car we had was manual and I didn't drive it. You guys know I have a Rev 4. The gear of a ute is very much different to a gear of a sedan. But I'm just trying to get the feel of it and we're going to take you guys for a spin with us. So thank you. Jump in the back seat and buckle up, guys.
She's driving now, guys. She's driving now. Get it, go.
Get it, get it, get it.
Oh. Need to spin like a cushy oh. My, never drive nga ka ba ya la ba.
Oh, you got the worst angles of me.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm not this big. So what's your review on the car so far? Or see, how do you feel it drives and what do you think about it?
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I love it.
I like the look of that Triton.
No, I don't like it. I like this.
This one's got a very boxed bonnet.
Front, yeah, bonnet. Yeah. I like it.
It's a 2019 model.
2019 model, but the old one is like curved down there in the front of the bonnet. Yeah guys, so I love the car. I love it. I really like it, guys. I'm so excited, guys, to try this car. This is my hero for the whole year and next year and the other year.
This is your birthday present coming up in 2 months.
Yeah, this is my car before my other present coming for my birthday. Yeah, guys. She's gonna bought me another present for me for my birthday because you know me, I like to open the present, new present. Yeah, no, guys, it's so nice, excited. I'm so excited, guys. Blue car, we renew my blue car. Enjoy the car, guys. And see you guys next vlog. You see, if you like this vlog, like the new car, comment my pe mangaya kabali. It's nice pe liay. I say ko fa fo ya mer kupi.
Okay, what is up SV squad? Welcome back to another video. We are here at the cafe with my fam bam. Got my mum, nephew, sisters here with us. Chrissy, who just gave birth, she's never with us anymore because she's got a newborn, she's got 2 kids, so she got better things to do apparently. I'm at the cafe, about to edit the videos y'all just seen. Oh my gosh, I'm cracking up at Aussie's face about the prank. I'm also going to go and buy a Dyson today because I am sick of the old pluggy water vacuum that always stuffs up for some reason. Aussie's gone to work in his new fancy car. I love it. I was driving it around everywhere yesterday. I've driven it more than him, to be honest. I love the way that it runs. Gosh, why does my face look like that? I have no idea what's going on with my fringe right now. Oh, I like it on this side. And I'm so proud of Nell because Nell's been doing so well at school. His dad told us that he got 4 good emails. Everyone's saying he's improved. They really like his approach on his education. Well done, Nelly. Scooty. Scooty low memory.
It's your Molly, and I look like a snack because I'm looking a little rat. I'm gonna rap a song. Can I rap a song?
Did you say I look like a rat?
No, I did not say I look like a rat. You rat. Okay, I don't know. What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly. I'm sweet like a lolly. I look like a dolly with a roly, 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 roly tolly.
We're at the library now. I'm just editing some videos. I've got Molly over here. She started uni, so there's a bird's nest. These are blue filtering glasses to filter out the blue light that comes from a computer because I spend like 12 hours a day on the computer and on my phone. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Aussie's gonna come and pick me up soon. Then we're gonna go and get my vacuum. Why am I whispering? People are talking like normal. I'm just uninspired at the moment. I'm trying to edit this video, but I also bought a new case. It's coming in the mail and you guys will see it when I get it because it's my favorite thing in the world. Zaddy came to pick me up. Hey Zad.
Sup.
Hi. What's up, look. Okay, prop. Hey Zad. How do you get up on this?
2,000 years later.
What is up, SV squad? Welcome back to another video. It is the weekend, long weekend here in Canberra. I'm just getting ready to go to my friend's baby shower. I'm about ready now. I really don't like my hair. I really don't like my hair. This vlog has been so choppy and changey. It's actually over the course of a whole week, 2 weekends. And we got Aussie here doing what he does best. Yeah, this is what he does, guys. Just Fortnite.
Yeah, guys, a long weekend this weekend. Let's relax today, tomorrow, and Monday. Back to work, man. So yeah.
Back to work, not on Monday. And how do you like your new car?
Yeah, but my new car, it's nice, guys. I'm telling you, it's so nice. I can't wait to show you guys more perform of my car, guys. I'm gonna put more, man. Once I put all my stuff in, so I'm gonna show you guys.
It's pretty cold tonight. The days are getting much colder here in Canberra. I got back from the baby shower not long ago and it was such a nice event. Very beautiful. The layout, the setting, everything was so nice and it was so good to see some people there that I haven't seen for a long time. But I am about to start a series, a Netflix series, guys. One of my good friends told me to start watching, wait, let me think. Oh, The Outlander. So I'm going to watch an episode and see how I like it. But I'm going to see if I can try and upload this video for tomorrow. I want to do a mukbang or something. Guys, tell me what you guys want to see. I'm super tired, even though I slept in. We are just so blessed. We give God all the glory, all the praise for all of our blessings and how far we've come for each and every single day. And we take that for granted so much. Not everyone wakes up every day. Not everyone gets another day to live, another chance, another stint at life. Just be grateful for every single day, guys. We love you guys so much. SV Squad signing out.